everyone, my name is Pooja Gandhi and welcome to my course Collecting and Preparing Data in Tableau Desktop. I'm a lead analytics engineer at Pluralsight, two-time Tableau Zen Master, and co-founder of a popular data visualization blog, theDataDuo.com. Tableau's fast analytic capabilities allows you to connect to and analyze almost any database to help you get actionable insights. Tableau's simple yet effective drag-and-drop functionality empowers people's natural abilities to identify visual patterns quickly and effectively. This course is designed to help you understand how you can collect, prepare, and transform your data in Tableau. Some of the major topics that we will cover include connecting your data to Tableau Desktop, discovering how you can union and join your data to effectively perform analysis, understanding the differences between a live connection and data extract in order to get the most out of Tableau's powerful analytic capabilities. And finally, we will dive into understanding use cases for blending your data. By the end of this course, you will know how to collect, prepare, and transform your data in order to successfully perform analysis. Before beginning the course, I recommend being familiar with Tableau Desktop's primary purpose and the general use of the interface. Having basic analytics acumen will help, but is not required to be successful with this course. From here, continue your learning by diving into Tableau with courses on using calculated fields, building common chart types, and data visualization best practices. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how to effectively collect, prepare, and transform your data with the Collecting and Preparing Data in Tableau Desktop course at Pluralsight.